Sumanta Prabhu.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
So on the auspicious of Balaram Jayanti, I would like to pray to Lord Balaram to give us strength in spiritual service and for all of us. And please keep me in your prayers so that I also get chances to do services. So today, to start with, I would start with one of a famous slok, like from Srimad Bhagavatam 10.1.2. So I'll go with the shlok first. So is it visible?
No.
Next slide. This slide. So yadascha dharma shilasya nitaram muni sattama tatram senava tirnasya vishnur viryani samshana. So translation is, O best of munis, O best of munis, you have also described the descendants of Yadu, who were very pious and strictly adherent to religious principles. Now, if you will, kindly describe the wonderful, glorious activities of Lord Vishnu or Krishna, who appeared in that Yadu dynasty with Baladeva, his plenary expansion. So, powered by His Divine Grace, Sri Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, Jai Srila Prabhupada ki. So from the purport, the Brahma Samhita 5.1 explains that Krishna is the origin of the Vishnu Tattva. Ishvara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadi Radhi Govinda Sarva Karana Karanam. Krishna, he is known as Govinda, is the supreme controller. He has an eternal, blissful, spiritual body. He is the origin of all. He has no other origin, for he is the prime cause of all causes. Yashaika Nishvasita Kalam Athavalambya Jivanti Loma Vilaja Jagat Anda Natha Vishnu Mahan Sa Yaha Yasha Kala Vishesho Govindam Adi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami. The Brahmas, the heads of the innumerable universes, live only for the duration of one breath of Mahavishnu. I worship Govinda, the original Lord, of whom Mahavishnu is but a portion of a plenary portion. Brahma Samhita 5.48. Govinda, Krishna, is the original personality of Godhead. Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam. Even Lord Mahavishnu, who by his breathing creates many millions upon millions of universes, is Lord Krishna's Kala Vishesha, or plenary portion of a plenary portion. Mahavishnu is a plenary expansion of Shankarsana, who is a plenary expansion of Narayana. Narayana is a plenary expansion of Chaturvyuha, and Chaturvyuha are plenary expansions of Baladeva, the first manifestation of Krishna. Therefore, when Krishna appeared with Baladeva, all the Vishnu Tattvas appeared with him. Maharaja Parikshit requested Shukadeva Goswami to describe Krishna and his glorious activities. Another meaning may be derived from this verse as follows. Although Shukadeva Goswami was the greatest Muni, he could describe Krishna only partially, Amsena. For no one can describe Krishna fully. It is said that Ananta Deva has thousands of heads, but although he tries to describe Krishna with thousands of tongues, his descriptions are still incomplete. So if we come to this purport of it, I would like to explain with some examples that we had. So, as it's been said, Balaram is the first manifestation of Krishna. So even Prabhu said in his slide as well. So from Balaram, the Chaturvyu came, and from there Narayana came. From Narayana, it's Sankarsana came, and from there the Mahavishnu came. So Mahavishnu, that we know, who is the creator of all Brahma, and like many Brahmas in the various universes. So Mahavishnu is just is a portion of a plenary portion of Krishna, and that too of Balaram as well. So through Balaram, so he's the Adi Guru, as we know. He is Krishna is the enjoyer of everything, but Balaram is the service giver of things. So through Balaram only, since he is the Adi Guru, through Balaram, by getting his mercy, we can go and get Krishna Bhakti. So, for example, like in the Treta Yuga also, so with Ramachandra, Lord Ramachandra, Lakshman was there doing all the services for him. So he didn't question anything. Even it was not necessary for him to go to Vanvas with his brother and sister-in-law. But he went there because, in nowadays, we see people if they get opportunity, they will try to rule the kingdom, right? If the brother goes away. But it was such a great, service attitude towards the Lord, the Supreme Lord, that Lakshmana stayed back And he not only stayed back, he never slept also. So there are stories where he never slept like that. Similarly, we can see like in the 5 rasas of Vrindavana, Lord Balaram was serving Krishna in all these 5 rasas. So how he did it was in the Sante Rasa, he has done it is like in the neutral rasa, we say. He has done it with as a like he was the Brajadham. He was manifested as a Brajadham there, serving Krishna there. So he manifested as Krishna's flute, Krishna's like dress, Krishna's ornament, and all paraphernalia, right? So and that's how he serviced Krishna there. Similarly, if we go to the next rasa, like the Dasya rasa, so he has been like when Krishna used to like get into the tree, like Balaram used to support him with his shoulder so that Krishna can go ahead. Like so that is how he has done like service to the Dasya rasa. So similarly, if we take about the Vatsalya rasa, so he has been always the protector of Krishna. So whenever the things as an elder brother, he was always protector to him, right? I mean, there were situations where Krishna was, when he was eating mud, so Balaram was like going and complaining to Ma Yashoda saying that he is doing this. But it was like, though he complained, it seems to be in the material context, it might seem that, okay, he complained against it, but Krishna was always loving this because it was, that's his rasa right there. So similarly in the Vatsalya rasa, there were times like when Krishna used to go and dance in, they used to play in Yamuna. So everybody stopped him. So Krishna wanted to play, but Balaram said like he wanted to stop him. So that there was Kalia there in Yamuna that time. So there was that pastime as well. So and obviously as Ananga Manjari, like he has manifested as Radharani's younger sister, so that he could Ananga Manjari could service Radha and Krishna together in the Braj pastimes. So that's how we can understand Lord Balaram is he is the he cannot go alone. Like with Krishna, he is there to do service to Krishna all the time, and through his mercy only we can reach to Radha and Krishna. So all glories to Balaram. So and hope we all get his mercy today. It's an auspicious occasion, and so wish you all a happy Balaram Jayanti once again.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Bol.